Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block standard users from install applications or programs in Windows 11. Right, so if you're an admin and you want to set up standard users so that whenever they're going to install any application, they will be receiving a prompt that they need to enter their credential first and not just go ahead and install applications without entering their password. So how do you do this? Right, so quick and easy solution for you. You want to go ahead and click on the Windows icon here in the taskbar, and you simply want to go ahead and type secpool or secpol.msc, right? So basically secpol.msc. Go ahead and click enter there, and this is going to open up your local security policy here. Now from here, guys, let me go ahead and maximize this. You want to go ahead and you want to click on local policies here, and then click on security options here. Now from within the list, guys, you want to go ahead and you want to scroll all the way down to where you will find user account control, behavior of the elevation prompt for standard users. Right, so you want to double click and click on that, and from here you will see that it says prompt for credential, but you want to click on it and you want to choose the option that says prompt for credential on the secure desktop. Right, so once you click on this, just simply go ahead and click on apply and click on OK. Then you want to go ahead and restart your computer. Now once you restart your computer, whenever one of those standard users are trying to install application, then they will get the pop-up box asking them to enter their credential before they can go ahead and do that. And it's normally good, especially when you have like multiple accounts and you want to control the admin, but you want to ensure that users are not going to just install any and any applications without putting that password first, right? So this is how you can go about doing this.